you can answer questions about your daily routine, but your answers sound too short or stop too quickly, this lesson is for you. Here is a common answer to, tell me about your daily routine.
I wake up at 7 and go to school.
This answer is not wrong, but it is too short and too simple. The examiner is waiting for more information. Students stop here because they think, I answered the question, but Eiken wants to hear order, detail, and a calm explanation. Here is the pattern. First, I, then I, after that, I. This pattern helps you continue speaking without panic. Let's use the pattern. So, what is your morning routine?
First, I wake up at 7. Then, I get ready and eat breakfast. After that, I go to school.
3 sentences. Simple English, very clear. Now repeat after me. First, I wake up early.
First, I wake up early.
First, I wake up early. Then, I go to work. After that, I relax at home. Good. Now your turn. Pause the video and say your own routine using this pattern. What do you usually do in the morning?
First, I wake up at 6. Then, I eat breakfast. After that, I go to school.
Ken, why is your morning routine important?
It helps me start my day calmly. It helps me feel ready for work or school.
If you want to practice stay safe and stop running out of ideas, download today's worksheet. It gives you daily routine questions, follow-up questions, and model answers. The link is in the description. Remember, you don't need difficult English. You need order, clear patterns, and calm practice. Study with this channel, use the worksheets, and you will speak with confidence on the Eiken Pre-2 test. I'll see you in the next lesson.